Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on TCL Tab Gen 2. So you have to start by opening Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set your Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try out the Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. And here you can click sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now again. And now you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And your Firefox browser is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.